This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 3 XL versus the Pixel 2 XL from last year. The Pixel 3 has the Snapdragon 845. Pixel 2 has the 835 from last year. Both have 4 gigs of RAM. Both are on the latest version of Android, which is 9 Pie. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And give the boot up win to the Pixel 3 XL. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both phones, as you can see. So let's get started with the messages. About the same, maybe the 3 XL on that one. Camera. Ooh, maybe the 2 XL. Clock on both. Tie. Stopwatch. Leave that running in the background. Browsing. Click on or go to GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar and very similar performance on both. Go to the desktop version. And again, very similar performance. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on both. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Another draw. Play Store, draw again, click on this one, leave it on this page. Amazon Shopping, very close, maybe the 2 XL on that one by a split second. Click on the deal of the day, leave it on this page. eBay on both, and again very similar performance. Click on this MacBook Air, leave it on this page. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. And give this to the 2 XL. Tap to begin. I think the Pixel 3 is a little bit faster running the actual game. Leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirit's Cove. Looks like the Pixel 3 is out in front. We'll confirm that right now. And Pixel 3 on this. Don't know what that is. Tap to play. And leave this in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers New Orleans. And give this to the Pixel 3. Tap to play. Leave that in the background. PUBG. Pixel 3 out in front. And give this to the Pixel 3, as you can see. Leave that running. A little bit of a lag on the Pixel 2. San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, neck and neck. I think the Pixel 3 is ahead a little bit. And give this to the Pixel 3. Not by much though. Snapchat on both. Pixel 3 on this one. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see, starting with Grand Theft Auto. Good to go on both. PUBG. Still in RAM, Subway Surf, and both are reloading this one, and both are reloading this as well, Mario Run, and both are reloading this, eBay. Okay, a little bit of a lag on both, Pixel 3 XL a little bit faster to recover, Amazon, a little bit faster on the left, Play Store, same place. Calculator, same place. Chrome, a little bit of a lag here on the 2 XL. Clock on both, still running the stopwatch. Camera, and the Messages app. Boom. So hit me up in the comments, let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel? If you have a Pixel 2 XL, are you gonna upgrade to the Pixel 3? If you have the original Pixel or even a Nexus 6P, are you guys gonna upgrade to the Pixel 3 XL? These phones are always on the latest version of Android, arguably the best camera on a smartphone right now. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.